You've learned the basics of trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA for right angles, and the sine rule for when you have a side and its opposite angle. But what happens when you hit a wall? Imagine a triangle where you know 3 sides but no angles, or you know 2 sides but only the angle trapped between them. The sine rule can't help. You don't have a known pair. This is where the cosine rule steps in. Think of it as Pythagoras on steroids. It starts with the familiar a squared equals b squared plus c squared, but adds a correction factor that makes it work for any triangle, not just right-angled ones. It's your go-to tool for 2 key situations, when you have side angle side or when you have side side side. If you know all 3 sides of a triangle, the cosine rule is the only way to find an angle. And unlike the sine rule, there's no ambiguity. It always gives you the right angle, even for obtuse angles. To complete your toolkit, there's also a new way to find a triangle's area without needing its vertical height. The formula, area equals 1/2 AB sine C, just needs 2 sides and the included angle. This isn't just abstract math. Engineers use these rules to calculate the distance between satellites. Surveyors map irregular land without walking every boundary. Even a golfer's rangefinder uses the cosine rule. A golfer might hit a shot 140 meters, but just 10 degrees off target. The cosine rule shows this small error leaves them a frustrating 27 meters from the hole. From basic ratios to these powerhouse formulas, your trigonometry toolkit is now complete, ready to dismantle any triangular problem you encounter.